Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. If you got to get started in connecting your Claude AI directly with your Asana, the process actually is not that hard. So the first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to sign in directly into my Cloudy. And I'm going to make sure that I do have exactly the same Gmail account with a Gmail account that I'm going to be working on with Asana. This is not optional. This is a requirement that we need to get started with in order to get started. So what I'm going to be doing here is just to close all of these tabs. Let's go for continue. I'm going to be signing in. If you don't have the actual application on your desktop, I strongly recommend you to do this to make this process a little bit much more faster. And next time you want to be working on with Asana, everything will be working really fast. So in my case, I have now this Gmail account I'm going to be using. So I'm going to just leave Cloudy as it is. I'm going to open a new tab and let's head over directly with Asana. Directly here into Asana, what I need to do is to just sign in a very easy way. Now let's just close this. Let's go for logged in. And once you have now connected, in my case, my Google account, but once you have connected the same account from Asana and both the actual cloud, what you wanted to do is to make sure that here directly inside cloud into your tab, you have signed it in with exactly the same account that you're currently having. So in my case, let's head over back again here with the same account. And once you have now correctly signed it in, you want to head over directly here with the element that says cloud. And let's say I want to connect and work with my Asana project. Let's get started. This is the actual prompt that we want to be working on to make this process a little bit much more faster, you might say so. In my case, here's an actual project called the actual TechExpress videos. So as you can see, we have only one specific task, and here are more different projects that we're working on. If I head over back here directly into Cloud, it's going to be asking us to connect one of the connectors that could help, which is the connector to Asana element. So what I need to do is to hit into the element that says connect. Once this is going to, of course, open an actual new tab, and it's going to be asking you to grant the access between your account and the actual Asana. When you click directly into the element that says allow, what's going to happen is going to be bringing you back directly into the desktop, which in my case here it is. So sometimes it might be asking you to make the actual connection once more. So you need to click directly inside there once again, the option that says connect, allow this one more time, and you're actually good to go. So as you can see, we are now inside my actual cloud. If this doesn't appear as connect right away, you can close this. Make sure that here into your element tab, you have here closed the actual Cloudy once again. I'm going to head back directly into Cloud. I'm going to open this back again, and I'm going to go back directly into the chat where we were actually in the beginning. When you click directly into the actual beginning, you should see that Asana is now appearing as connected, and you can use the element that says use Asana for this. Now, let's say in my project, the recent one, create 3 more tasks. Now, when you create this specific tools, when you work directly inside Asana, it's going to be asking you to grant the actual access, of course, and to always allow to be working with your Asana projects before you want to make some actual changes. So once you have chose the elements, what you have now confirmed that from the actual Cloudy, as you can see, it says I'll need task names for the 3 tasks, but since you didn't specify the name, I will create I will do this, blah blah blah, always allow. Let's go for yes, and just wait a few seconds till the actual Cloudy makes the actual work for us. So as you can see, the actual process is not that hard. It's going to be really simple. So keep the transitions between the actual tools. The process actually is not that hard. Turn the workflow on, and congratulations, because you have built a custom AI project manager. So if you want more steps for this specific tools, you let me know into the comments below and see how we can actually get started with all of these different tools. So guys, thank you once again for watching the video. Guys, have lots of fun with your actual Asana projects, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.